I'm Mihire, MBA student from Adelaide campus. So thank you very much, Said. You explained up to slide number 6, and I'm going to explain the rest. This is slide number 7, is about the data set. The data set that is used in this practice based on the iris flower. The data set includes the different varieties of the species of the flower. The practical that has been performed has determined the various number of the species along with the density of the species of flower. The practical has been performed with the implementation of the different libraries of Python. So next slide is slide number 8. The above this image depicts the practical performed on the iris flower to determine its various species. The practical has been performed on the Python and machine learning along with this. The practical has utilized several set of libraries in order to find out certain results. The libraries which has been used for this practical NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. So if I go to next slide, here the number of various species has been analyzed with the use of the Matplotlib library of Python. By performing this practical, the analyzed results is the number of the species of the flower. The determination of the present number of the species have been determined by performing this practical. So if I go to next slide, that is slide number 10, the density of the species has been determined by the use of Seaborn library of Python. The image depicts the density which has been determined by the performing the practical. The density of the flower has been determined via performing the practical, and it depicts the highest and the lowest range of the different species. So if I go to slide number 11, the image depicts the determination of the details of the species of the plant. The Seaborn library has been used in this practical. This practical has been performed in order to find out the different types of the details of the flower. So slide number 12 is the conclusion. The conclusion is the presentation has depicted the results of the practical which was performed on the data set which was related to the iris flower. The major highlights of the presentation are stated as determining the different species, determining the number of species, determining the density of the species, and determining the details of the species. This is the end. Thank you so much.